Welcome to our steel structure factory, where your building takes shape. Every project starts with quality materials, steel coils, plates, and beams, stored and organized in our yard. Our CNC cutting lines shape beams and plates with precision, every piece cut to the exact dimensions of your design. Experienced welders then assemble the frames, and every joint is inspected to meet strict quality standards. Columns, rafters, purlins, all fabricated in-house, so quality is controlled at every step of production. Modern machinery and automated welding lines keep production efficient, consistent, and on schedule. Before anything leaves the workshop, it goes through careful inspection, dimensions, welds, and surface finish. Finished components are organized in our yard, ready for packing and shipment to your site. Each shipment is carefully packed and protected for the long journey overseas. Planning a steel warehouse, factory, hangar, or cold room? Send us your size and location for a free reference price. Email, sales@silibeta.com. WhatsApp, +86 139 402 97531. Visit our website, silibeta.com. Libeta Steel Structure, built to last, shipped worldwide.